Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will solve the question based on the text file. We have a poem, Johnny, Johnny, yes papa, eating sugar, no papa, telling lies, no papa, open your mouth, ha ha ha. And again I have written the same line, Johnny, Johnny, yes papa. So we have to read the number of lines which is starting with J from the file. Now the file name is poem.txt and the number of lines which is starting with J is 2. First line and your last line. So we will use the same function name, that is readj, in our program definition. So def readj will be your first line. Function name, whatever given in your program, that should be written same. So def readj, j function, readj, because we are counting the number of lines which is starting with J. So next line will be F is equal to open your file name. Give file name as poem.txt. Then count is equal to 0 because starting it was 0 only. Next, for reading the number of lines, you will use read lines function. So it will give the list of lines. Then for iterating the number of lines, use follow. For I in X, first it will take first line, then it will check I0 equal to 0. It will match the first character. If the first character is capital J, it will increment the count. This way your number of lines will be iterated and the output will be displayed as number of lines with J is count. Thank you for watching. I hope you have understood this video. So please like, share and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you all.